All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful red with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, roof racks, sun fog lights. Super nice, only 34,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage, just a scratch and dent car. Front bumper looks pretty good. Your hood does have a scratch here, about 3 inches. One here, about 3 to 5 inches. Another one here, 3 to 6 inches. 3, 6 inches again. 6, 6, 5 to 6, 3 to 4. Right there. This fender, another heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. Boom. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire dirt over 730 seconds. Got a heavy scratch here. So you got a light scratch, 3, 6. Another light scratch there, about 3. Another light scratch here, about 2. A heavy scratch here, about 3 to 4 inches. A lighter one there. Another one right there. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread over 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up here. It looks good. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Jump in here. Turn on this vehicle. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Actually, no owner's manuals. There's no owner's manuals to this. You got your AM, FM, CD player, all that kind of good stuff. Got your backup camera, boom. Got your AC controls right down below, dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 34,857. Pretty much completes the tour. We got some buttons here. We'll start opening things up. Boom. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. This vehicle does have rear AC controls and rear AC vents. Little power button here closes this rear door. Rear bumper looks pretty good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice, big and spacious. There is a little button here. These doors do close automatically. Let's see if somebody stuck the owner's manuals in here on accident. Sometimes they do that. And yeah, we have owner's manuals here, folks. Still wrapped up in its plastic. Good thing I checked in here. Close this up. Boom. One-handed, folks. One-handed, and we do have owner's manuals still wrapped up. Got a little button here. Closes this rear left grate, which looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. Has a little chippy there in this quarter. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This front door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Got a little button here. Closes this door. This one looks good. Here's your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. So that is the leather with suede inserts. Fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Which is over 730 seconds. Lights, a working car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 34,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.